Hello, good evening everyone. Am I audible? Yeah. So what were we discussing in the last class, everyone? What were we discussing in the last class? Let us quickly once go through it. Can you tell me what we did we discuss in the last class? Okay, I got response from Uma, the Ethernet with Arduino using MQTT. Okay, about Ethernet Shield and MQTT. Yes, others please do respond. What did we discuss in the last class? Okay, Umakant. Okay, so what we were discussing here means nothing but okay, how to connect Ethernet shield to the Arduino and what is the requirement. The Ethernet shield, what we discussed was about the Ethernet shield, like why do we need Ethernet shield on the Arduino, and okay, how to connect it and how to connect it. Okay, that we understood. Then we understood about the messaging model. Okay, the messaging model MQTT, messaging model MQTT. So what is there in MQTT? How devices will communicate here in the messaging model? What are the three things we have? Three important things in the messaging model. What are the three things we have? We have a device who will publish. It is called publisher. Then we have a broker who will receive the message and send it to the subscriber. Okay. Now, based on what the message will be transmitted to broker and transmitted to subscriber means based on the topic. A publisher will send the message on a topic. Okay, the subscriber whoever has subscribed to that topic will only receive that message. It's like a channel. If you see, everyone is having access to the YouTube, but who has subscribed to the channel only will get that notifications, right? Same like that. Okay, here publisher will publish a message on a topic. Now after receiving that message, broker from whom for whom it will transmit means only to the device who has subscribed to that topic, only to that device who has subscribed to that topic. Okay, based on the topic, a message will be received from the publisher into the broker. Then from the broker it will be sent to the particular subscriber, based on the topic subscribed, based on the topic subscribed. Yes, Madhura, correct. I'm just seeing checking your messages. Yeah, this is what we have learned last time. The messaging model, publisher, broker, and subscriber. Okay, this is very important. Remember about the topic. Remember about the topic. Okay, this is important in the messaging model. Then Ethernet shield. This is what we have seen. Okay, anybody else? Okay, so these all things we have seen. Let us go forward today. So today, what we are going to do is we are going to explore the Things platform, Things board platform. We are going to explore. Okay, okay. Today, what we are going to do is we are going to explore the Things board platform. Okay. So what we will be going to do today means, okay, today we will create an account in the ThingsBoard, okay, cloud platform, then log in and we'll explore the interface, like how it looks like, what are the services available on this platform. Then we will create our first device, okay, then copy the device and we will try to send some data from Arduino to the ThingsBoard, and we will see if the data has been received or not on the ThingsBoard side. Okay, so can you tell me what is this ThingsBoard doing on our project? What is the okay role of this ThingsBoard into our project? Do you remember the project requirements? If you remember the project requirements, can you tell me what is the role of ThingsBoard? Okay, in this project. Okay, here Madhura is telling to the see the status of the machines. Okay, it will be hosting the data. Velocity acts as a cloud platform. Okay, cloud storage. Yes. So on our project, what this ThingsBoard is nothing but it is our cloud platform where we are pushing the data. Okay, then we are going to see that data on the dashboard. We are going to create different widgets on the dashboard to see the data and also create some buttons to control the okay devices. Okay, that all things we are going to see here in the ThingsBoard. Okay. So now we will not directly implement the project. That we will start tomorrow. Today we'll just test it out. Today we'll just test out the things board, like how to okay send the data from okay cloud Arduino to the things board. That we will see today. Okay. About the project, building the project will start from tomorrow. From tomorrow we'll start building the node one. Okay. From tomorrow we'll start building the node one. For now we will just okay try to understand about this things board and we'll explore it more. Okay, then send the data that we are going to do today. Fine. Okay, so let me start this. Yeah, so what we are going to do here, this is nothing but things board. Okay, what is ThingsBoard? A ThingsBoard is an open source IoT platform. Okay, for device management. Okay, data collection, processing, real-time visualization. It supports MQTT, HTTP, and QoAP protocols. Okay, out of the box. So what is happening? ThingsBoard is nothing but it's a IoT platform. It's a IoT platform where you can do device management. Device management means you can connect devices to your cloud. What are devices? You remember the IoT architecture? In IoT architecture, we are having three things: devices, cloud, and UI. Okay, and between devices and cloud, we have gateway. So, what we are having: devices, cloud, and UI. So, the first comes the devices. So, what this IoT platform will allow us means it will allow us to connect. Okay, it will allow us to connect the uh, devices to the cloud and also manage them. Okay, like authenticate them. Okay, if anything goes wrong, okay, like if the devices have been hacked, then okay, manage them, that thing, device management. Then collect the data from the devices, collect the data from the devices. Then data collection, so whatever data is coming, okay, whatever data is coming, okay, that data need to be processed. Then real time visualization, so real time data will be like, okay, you can see, you can, okay, plot different graphs, okay, you can also set alarms, nothing but real time visualization. You can derive the new insights from the data collected. Then it supports, what are the protocol it supports means MQTT, HTTP, and CoAP. Okay, protocol it support for data sending. However, in our case, we are using what? MQTT. We are using what? MQTT. So here we have device management, register, monitor, control the IoT devices, okay, from the unified dashboard. Then real-time data, collect the data, visualize the telemetry data as it arrives from the sensors. Okay, means as soon as data comes, you can, okay, visualize that data. You need not wait for long time for that. Then rule engine and alerts, so whatever data is coming, that data is being processed, okay, it also triggers alarms and actions based on your data coming, where we have to set the rules. Okay, rule engine is nothing but we can set the rules here. Example, if your data is coming and it's a temperature, and you want to trigger a alarm when the temperature goes beyond 35, okay, for that we can create a rule. For that, what we can do is, on the device we can create a rule. Okay, rules engine and alerts. Okay, rules engine is nothing but what? Okay, you can create a rule. Okay, I hope you know rules. What do you mean by rules? Generally in English only, rules means what? In school, where we followed more rules, colleges less rules, but still rules. Traffic rules. Okay, what do you mean by rules? Yeah, in school we'll be having rules. You have to come at 9:30 to the school. Okay, in college we have rules. You have to wear your ID cards everywhere. Okay, in library we have rule. We have to stay silent. In traffic we have the rules that you have to wear a helmet. And some boundary lines are there. Some boundary lines. Okay, here also rules. Okay, we are going to set the rules for device. Okay, though temperature should be less than 35 only. If more than that, if the rule is broken, okay, action will be, alarms will be triggered. If the rule is broken, alarms will be triggered. Okay, that is nothing but rules engine and alerts. Okay. So real-time data visualization means, here what will happen? We can have a dashboards where you can visualize your data, incoming data. Okay, where you can plot the graphs. Okay, you can also see the data coming, how much is the temperature, how much is the vibration, that all things. Okay, these are the features of what? ThingsBoard. Okay, here you can see the architecture, how the data flows. Data flows from Arduino and the sensor to the MQTT broker, then to the ThingsBoard server. From the server, it will move to the database where your data will be stored. Then from the database, you can create a dashboard where you can visualize your data. This is how the data flows inside a ThingsBoard. Okay. I hope you are clear. What do you mean by this ThingsBoard? What is this ThingsBoard platform is about? Yes, everyone, are you clear? Yes. Now, what we will do is we understood what you mean by ThingsBoard, or what is the use of ThingsBoard. We have understood. Now, what we will do is we have to create an account here. So, if you are having laptop, you can follow me and do it. If later, you can do it later also. Anything is fine. Now, we will just what we will do. We'll create account in the ThingsBoard. Okay. See here, you have to create an account. Then only you can push your data. Without account, you cannot push your data here. Okay. So we'll see how to create the account, and we'll explore the few services of the Things board. Okay. So these are the steps. Who are not doing it, okay, you can just follow the steps later. Who are not doing it along with me for now. Okay. Here you have the link. Okay. I'll be uploading this PDF in the LMS. There you can refer this link and you can go and create your account. Okay, for now, how to do it means I'll just open the browser. In the browser, I'll search for ThingsBoard. In the ThingsBoard, when you search here, you will get one option, ThingsBoard Cloud Login. See, I have provided you the link. If not here, you can refer the PDF and refer the steps and create the account. If not, along with me. Yeah, it allowed me to log in. Okay, because already I had this login, it allowed me to log in, but it'll ask you certain steps. Okay, so what I will do, I'll just log out. Yeah. So when you are okay trying to log in into this things board, right? It'll ask for you to account. Okay, give your name, okay, email ID, then password. It'll ask you that time you can tell. Okay, do you have an account? Okay, no, then sign up. Okay, you don't have an account, then sign up. Okay. So otherwise directly you can select here. You'll be having already the Google account. Just go ahead with Google account. Just go ahead with what Google account. That is my suggestion. Otherwise you can create a new account. You can create a what? New account. Okay. I'll just go ahead with Google. The link is there. See here, go to this link. Okay, get started for free. Then after that what, okay, put your details there and set up the password, verify with your mail, and complete the profile setup. This is one thing you can do. Or just when you're logging in, go ahead with the Google account. Go ahead with what? Google account. That is enough. Here is the link. I'll be sharing it where, okay, okay, I'll be sharing this PDF. You can, okay, reach out there. Okay. Yeah. So when you log in, this is how it looks like. Your things board login looks like this. If you want, okay, log in now. Otherwise, you can log in later. If you want, log in now, or otherwise log in later. Anything is fine. Yeah. So here we are in the home right now. This is the home button. We are already in the home page. The home page looks like this, where you have some template solutions. If you have time, you can work on them. Okay, we have template solutions. All are not free here. Some, okay, you have to upgrade. So don't go with the things which are upgraded required. You go with the only free things that are enough. For our project also, free tire is enough. For our project also, free tire is enough. You need not upgrade. Then here few documents are there. Okay, devices, view documents, add device. Okay, you can view documents and you can get more information about this. ThingsBoard. I will share this link also. Okay. But however, whatever is required for project, I'll be teaching you. Yeah. Then after that, here, okay, you have add dashboard, add device. In home only, so many things are available. Okay, we can explore them. Otherwise, leave it. Okay. After that, here, okay, here we have how to create our device first and connect the device. That all steps are easily available. Here, documents also available. You can see how to create your first device. For that, documents are there. Okay, even pictures are there. That also you can refer. But however, I'll be telling you, don't worry. But just for your references. These all things are for your references. However, I'll be guiding you step by step how to create a device and send the data. Yes. Now here I have alarms. You can create the alarms here. Okay. Then dashboards. I already showed you. I have already created 3 dashboards during demo. I have showed them. Here you can create your dashboard and view them. Then reporting. Okay, this is a new feature added. Then solution templates. Okay, here templates are there for your dashboard. You can install them and use them. Again, some things are free, some things are not free here. Then here we have, okay, entities. In the entities we have devices where you can create a device. So what is this device? This is actually the representation. This is nothing but a representation of your device on the cloud side. Okay, this is a representation of your device on the cloud side. So what we are doing now, example, in our project we are trying to, okay, connect, okay, a Arduino board which is connected to the production line, which is monitoring the production line. According to our project, there is a Arduino board which is monitoring the production line. That what we are doing is that we are trying to push the data to the cloud, ThingsBoard cloud. ThingsBoard cloud. From Arduino, we are trying to push the data to the ThingsBoard cloud. Okay. Now, when I am pushing the data, okay, this is our physical device. This is physical device. Okay, that is there on the factory side who is monitoring the production line. Now, if I want to monitor this device, every time I cannot go to the, okay, that particular place and monitor it. I want some representation on the cloud side. I want some representation on the cloud side. So on the cloud side, we are going to create a device which is nothing but the representation of your, okay, physical device. It is nothing but representation of your physical device on the cloud side. Physical device on the cloud side. Representation of your, okay, physical device on the cloud side is nothing but the device. So if you create, then only we can push the data here. Okay. So you can see devices you can create here. Already I have 2 devices. Okay, warehouse monitoring and production line monitoring. So here it will allow you actually in the free tier 5 devices you can add. Okay, 5 devices you can add for free. More than 5 you have to again, okay, you have to upgrade your, okay, service. We are using the free tier. You can see my current subscription is free. Okay, so you can see here, update the plan, you can have cancelled subscription, so many things are there. Okay, so it is free for only how much you can see here. It's only free for 1 month. It's only free for what? 1 month. So you will be also having only 1 month free subscription. After that, you have to update your plan. So complete your project within 1 month only. So you can talk about this, like how many, you can see how many devices are free. 5 devices are free. In that, two I have already used. Okay. So it will also tell you like how many devices are free, how many dashboards are free, how many users you can add, how many customers you can add. That all of okay things are available here if you click on this. Okay. Planning and build. Now after that, here also you can see, here you can see the notifications. Any notifications are there, that will come up here. Then here it talks about your account. Then here we have the okay options to log out and the account. It talks about my account, my profile. Okay. Then here we have devices. Okay. After that, assets. Assets are nothing but the we can do one more name to your okay devices. Like all devices you want to put under one asset, like factory. That you can do it. So this asset will come into picture when we are having okay n number of devices. Like example, you are creating this management. Okay, for now you are creating it for one factory. You want to do it for other factories all or as well. So you can create asset like factory one, factory two, and all devices okay connected to factory one will be under one group like that. Okay, then entities, okay, gateways. So these all are the services available for us. Okay, I have not used them for now. Then profiles, then customers. So you can add customers here. Suppose now what I have done, we are doing what? This factory management, right? Like smart factory management. I have created the dashboard. Here what I can do is I can add two okay customers here. Who can be the customers? Whoever is managing the factory. I can add two customers. One is the manager who want to view that okay entire dashboard, and I can use one service engineer. Okay, one service engineer who want to manage the okay all the devices. So like that I can add customers and allow them to use the dashboard. I can add customers and allow them to use the dashboard. Only thing is they can view the dashboard, they cannot edit the dashboard. Okay, the developer, it me. Okay, developer is me. Okay, will be the administrator. I can edit the dashboard. The customers can only view the dashboard. Like that we can add customers here. I hope you got what is customer. Okay, so this is my user. I am only the user here. I have not added any user. Okay, tenant admin, I am the administrator. So when you create, you will be the only the user. Here you can add the user. Like I told you, you can add the factory manager, you can add the service manager. Those all are as the users, or add them as a customers, anything. Okay, integrations, data converters, then rule chains. Here we are going to create the rules. Okay, our rules look like this. What you want to do with the data, whatever data is coming, what you want to do here. So you can create here rules. Data is coming, what you want to do with that data. Okay, you can okay select the alarm, you can set the alarm. That all things we can add here. Then edge management. Okay, we have analytics, we have widget library. If widget is not available, you can add any widgets here. I will tell you, I have added one widget. I will tell you how to add the widgets. Then image gallery, you can add images for your dashboard here. Okay, so these are all things, okay, we will be knowing them one by one when we start using them. Okay, these are the services available on the things board. These are the services that are available on the things board. And mobile center, so you can download this app also on the mobile phone. Okay, you can also okay, download the mobile phone app on the mobile phone. Then you can log in from the same, okay, Google account. Then you can control the dashboard from mobile also, from here also. Okay, as of now that I have not enabled here, but that is available. Okay, this is all about things board, how it looks like, and what are the services available on the things board. So this platform is specially, okay, designed for what? IoT. This platform is specially designed for what? IoT. Are you clear? These things are you clear? Are you clear? Like you just got clear, means you got an overview like how the things board looks like, what all services are available. Just okay, you glance. Okay, you cannot use all the or you cannot understand every service now only. Just a quick glance. You will understand only when we start using them. You'll understand only when we start using them. Yeah, fine. We'll proceed further now. Okay, so now what we will do is we will create our first device. We'll create our first device. So just now what we saw is we saw home, how it looks like. Then the dashboards, okay, devices, alarm, customers, rule change. These are the things available for us. The services. We just had a look once. Yeah, now what we will do is we will create our first device and send the data to that device. Okay, we'll create our first device, then send the data to the that device. Yeah, so I'll go to devices. In the entities, we have devices. Yeah, just now I told you what you mean by device. What you mean by device? What is this device service here? See, this is hello. This is not in detail. We will understand the service one by one. Just I wanted to show you how the things board cloud look like. Is that clear? We will see the services in detail later. As of now, I just showed you this is a things board, how to log in into the things board, and we saw the services available for us on the things board. Like we saw the dashboard, the devices, okay, then the customers, the alarms. Like these are the services available. How to use them, we will see in detail. I just showed you these are the services available. That much only. How to use them, how to explore them, we will see it one by one in detail. I don't know what is your name. Hide Ocean Life, it seems. Yes, everyone. I explain one thing, devices. What do you mean by what is device here? I told you what do you mean by device. I explained you one concept, device. What is this device here on the things, okay, board platform? Okay, Laya, it is not device, it is a representation of the device. It's not the actual Arduino. It's not the actual Arduino, but it represents your Arduino on the things board. Monica is asking why ThingsBoard, why not other platforms? See, other platforms are not okay, specifically meant for okay IoT. First thing. Then, if you go for other platforms, right, we don't have free tires. We don't have free tires. We have to pay for them. Even the free tires are there, the services are very limited. The services are very limited. So ThingsBoard is good for study purpose and also it is specially designed for IoT. So only we are going for ThingsBoard. We have many cloud platforms like what AWS is there, Microsoft Azure is there. Okay, but all these platforms we have to pay for them, and free tires are limited, and also authentication problems also are there. You have to share your card details to get authenticated. Yeah, if I tell you to share the card details, you will drop out of this internship. You're telling free internship and asking us card details. So only we are going with very easy platform, ThingsBoard. Blink is also there, but Blink is having very limited options. It's not so good. Okay, fine. So this is nothing but what we'll proceed further. Okay, this is nothing but representation of your device on the cloud side. So already I have created two devices, but let me create one more device so we can test them out. Okay. See here only five devices are there. Five devices only are limited. So click on the devices. Here you have an option called add device. Click on that. Then add new device. You have option to import a device, add new device. You go for add a new device. Add new device. Here you can give the name of your device. Okay. So everyone please give the name as production line. I will be giving it as a test. I'll be giving it as a test because already I have production line. Okay, device. Otherwise production test I will give. You give it as production line, that much only, because already I have that. Give only production line. I'll be giving it as production line test just to differentiate. Then label, it is optional if you want to add it, otherwise it's okay, you can just tell it what you want to do there. Okay. Then device profile, keep it default. Owner and groups, you don't have any groups right now, only you are the sole owner, just keep it same. Description, you want, you can add it what you're trying to do. Okay, just add, you're trying to push data from production line, okay, to monitor it remotely, to monitor it remotely. Okay, then add. Okay, so if you are doing along with me, good. If you're not doing along with me, I will not repeat the steps. You watch the recorded session and do it later. Yes, here. Okay, next is HTTP. You can test it like this. MQTT's options are there, just to test them out, these options are there. It's okay, you just close it. We are going to test it later only. I will close it. For us, device is created, you can see device is created. Let's check the connectivity is there. We'll check it from the Arduino only, because again we need some tools to do it. Okay, let us try to do it from Arduino itself. Okay, close it. You can see here I have created the device called production line test. Okay, this is my device here. You can click on this. Okay, manage credentials. There you'll get something called access token. This is nothing but what? Access token. If you have this access token, then only you can push your data from device to the cloud. Device to the cloud. See here. Yeah, we are connecting Arduino to the ThingsBoard. Suppose if the data is coming from Arduino, how to understand that this is your Arduino? How to understand it is your Arduino? Or it is the one who is supposed to send the data. Okay, question will come, right? Example, you are having a ATM card. Okay, so anyone can use that ATM card. If anyone can use that ATM card, they need what? PIN, right? They need what? The password, then only they can use it. Why password? Why password for ATM card? For security purpose. For what? Security purpose, correct? Or to authenticate that it is you. For uniqueness, for security purpose. Huh. Here what we are having is Arduino. We are having ThingsBoard. How the ThingsBoard will recognize this is only the Arduino? How the ThingsBoard will recognize that this is a particular device from where I have to receive the data? So there should be some authentication. There should be some what? Authentication. I hope you know authentication means what? Recognition. There should be some authentication. Okay. For that authentication, there will be something called token. There will be something called what? Token. If the device is having this token, then only it can push the data to the ThingsBoard. Without this, you cannot push your data to the ThingsBoard. Without this token, you cannot push the data to the ThingsBoard. Like same like without PIN, you cannot withdraw the money from the ATM. Without PIN, you cannot withdraw the money from the ATM. Same like that, if you don't have the access token, then you cannot push your data to the ThingsBoard. So for that purpose, we need this. You copy it and keep it, or otherwise later also how to copy it, I'll show you. Okay, copy it. Copy the authentication token. Sorry, access token. Mm. Then if you click on this production line, you can see here, okay, details are there. What is the name? What is the device profile? Then what are the attributes? We have not sent anything. Then data, we have not, this latest telemetry means the data. Latest telemetry means what? The data. We have not sent anything. Okay. Attributes will talk about the device. That also we have to update it from the device side. We have not sent anything still now. Then calculated fields, alarms you can configure here. Then alarm rules, alarms, events. Okay, so many things are available here on the device side. So first what we will do, now we have created a device. We'll just try to send the data from the Arduino to the device, from the Arduino to the device. Okay, same MQTT only. Okay, MQTT we will be using to send the data. So how it works here for us means, we have Arduino. Okay, so MQTT, what are the three things are there in MQTT, everyone? What are the three things are there in MQTT? In MQTT message model, what are the three things? In the MQTT message model, what are the three things we need here? We need a publisher. We need a publisher. We need a subscriber because it follows the pub and sub model. And we need a broker. We need a broker. Okay. So here our Arduino will be the publisher. Arduino Uno will be the publisher. Yeah, Arduino Uno will be the publisher. It will publish the data to the broker. So what is a broker here? Last time we used a high MQ. When we were testing, we used the broker high MQ. But now we are going to use the broker that is belonging to the ThingsBoard only. Okay, ThingsBoard broker. We are going to use the broker that is running and installed on ThingsBoard. ThingsBoard MQTT broker is the broker we are using. ThingsBoard MQTT broker. The broker is ThingsBoard MQTT broker. ThingsBoard MQTT broker. Then who is a subscriber? Okay, subscriber is nothing but same ThingsBoard server only. ThingsBoard server. ThingsBoard server is only our subscriber. So if you send the data from Arduino Uno, it will go to the broker. Then broker will push the data to the ThingsBoard server. Okay, so here we have to specify the topic. Now I am planning to send the data from Arduino Uno. So what I am planning to send means temperature. So what should be our topic means, here topics are already decided, okay, by the ThingsBoard. Okay, if you publish the data on this particular topic only, the data will be received. So what is that topic means? V1, which is nothing but specifying the version of the API. Then, okay, to whom you are trying to send the data, to the devices. We have, you saw right, we have entities like devices, assets, Okay, so there where you want to send, I want to send the data to the devices. Then me, me is nothing but what, authentication token. Okay, we are specifying the authentication token, means from this particular device. Then telemetry, what, for whom you are going to send the data, telemetry. So this is your topic, this is your topic. So this is your topic, this is your topic. Now on this topic, what is your message you are going to send, means you are going to send a temperature. Message is temperature. Okay, message is nothing but temperature you are going to send on this particular topic. On the things board, what will happen, it will be received, and where it will be present means on your devices. See, you are subscribing on the things board server. In the things board server, how many devices are there? Okay, I have 3 devices, you have 1 device. I am specifying the authentication token of the test device. So what will happen, it will go to the test device. Okay, in the test device, the production line test device, in the telemetry you can see the data. In the telemetry you can see the data, and under the test device, the production line test device, you can go and see the data into the telemetry, because here I am publishing like that. I am sending it to the version 1 in the devices. Me means whose authentication token we are putting in the code, that. Okay, so we are pushing to the production line test, and we are pushing it to the telemetry. So you can see the data on the telemetry. So this is our topic. On this topic, I am publishing the message temperature. So if you go and check under this device, okay, whose authentication token we are passing, in that telemetry, I should be able to see my temperature. I should be able to see my temperature. Okay, once I'll show you the code, and also will, okay, try to push the data, then you'll get a clear picture. But partially you understood, I am not asking clear picture, because once you do only you'll see the clear picture. But partially you understood what we are trying to do here. Everyone, is, are you, did you get a picture what we are trying to do here? Yes, so we'll see what is our next step. We have created a device. Okay, we have copied the authentication token. So you, I already told you what is the topic we are going to select here, means we are going to push it on the topic version 1 devices, me and telemetry. Authentication token, we have to put it there. Okay, we are not going to pass any, okay, password here for now, keep it blank. And whenever you are sending data, right, we have to send it in JSON format. One more thing, whenever you are sending your data from Uno to the, okay, ThingsBoard, you have to send it in a JSON format, because the ThingsBoard understand only this format. Whenever you're pushing the data to the ThingsBoard, you have to send it in a JSON format. What is this JSON means? Your always your data should be in a key value pair format. Key value format. Example, you should be sending a temperature, means like this temperature. temperature, then example 25. 25 is my temperature I am sending. So this is what key value pair. This is a key, this is a value. Suppose you are sending a vibration. You have to send it in again key value pair. Vibration. Separated by a colon. Separated by a colon. This is nothing but what? Key value pairs. Okay. So we are going to send the data in key value pairs. Okay. Fine. Now we have created a device. I will just, okay, I have uploaded the code in the LMS. You can take that same code. Using that same code, we will be pushing the data. Here you can see I have the code here also. Only few changes here. Okay, yesterday we have already done this publishing and subscribing. Only thing is you have to change your broker address because our broker will be ThingsBoard broker. Yesterday we have used what? HiveMQ. And we have to specify your authentication token here, the access token. The access token here. Then remaining things will remain same. Only you have to publish the data. Okay, so what I will do is I have shared the code already in the LMS. You can get it from there. I'll just show you. And I'll open the same code. Yes, you can see I have okay shared the sample code here. The code is available here. The sample code. You can use this code to send the data to the ThingsBoard. So I'll open the same sample code. Using that code, what we will do is we'll push the data to the ThingsBoard. Yeah, here the code is opening. It will take certain time to open Arduino ID. Yeah, you don't need any additional libraries here. The last libraries, whatever you have installed, that is enough. You can see I'm including the PubSub client library. Okay, here you have to paste that authentication token, whatever you have copied, right, from the ThingsBoard. Okay, paste that authentication token. Please don't copy my authentication token. Otherwise, your data will come to, okay, my cloud platform. Means my account is there, right? There your data will get pushed. However, if you try also, I'll be deleting that device. So you will not get any data. Yeah, don't copy my authentication token. You copy paste your own authentication token. Then your broker address is changed because we are trying to push the data to the ThingsBoard broker. Yeah, I have created here Ethernet client and PubSub client. Here I am passing the Ethernet client here. Serial begin, I am pushing here the baud rate as 9600. Okay, here we are trying to connect to the broker, the ThingsBoard broker. Paste your, okay, access token here, and address of the broker here, address of the ThingsBoard broker. Address of the ThingsBoard broker. So we are creating the, okay, client here, MQTT client, MQTT client. And here what we are doing, connecting the, okay, connecting the Arduino to the ThingsBoard cloud. Okay, that's what we are doing here. Client.set server. We are passing the, okay, broker address and the port number. So this will connect our, okay, Arduino to the ThingsBoard cloud. Yeah, here in the loop, what I am doing, I am checking if the client is connected. If the client is not connected, attempting for reconnection. So what we are doing, check if the client is connected to the cloud. Check if client is nothing but your board. Board is connected to the cloud, connected to the ThingsBoard. If not, try reattempting. Reattempt for connection. Reattempt for connection. Okay, client dot connected, reconnect. So in the reconnect, what we are doing, if the client is connected or not, we are checking. If not, okay, we are calling the, okay, client dot connect. Okay, Arduino Uno. Here is nothing but the name. What you want to give the name. You can give Arduino Uno. You can give any other thing. You can give production line as well. Give the production line instead of Arduino Uno. Give the name as, okay, node 1. That is also fine. Node 1. Here you can see we are passing what? Authentication token. So it means, okay, this is where we are specifying this is our particular device. If you don't pass the authentication token, you cannot connect to the cloud. Okay, this is authentication token. Okay, then if it's getting connected, we are printing connected to ThingsBoard. Connected to what? ThingsBoard. If not, we keep trying it for every after 2 seconds. If not getting connected, retry after every 2 seconds. After every 2 seconds. After every 2 seconds, you keep trying reconnecting. So once got connected, what we are doing here is, I have declared here a payload, okay, a character array of size 50. Okay, initialize the temperature as 28. I'm putting here some constant temperature. Here instead of constant temperature, we can read it also from a particular, okay, sensor as well. We can read from a particular sensor as well. So temperature 28. Okay, after that we are putting it a particular format. Okay, temperature is 28. As I told you, you have to put it into a JSON format. Okay, put data into JSON format. Okay, for that we are using printf function. So here we are connecting temperature with the temperature percentage d means integer. We are making it as a key value paste here and storing it into array called payload. Storing it into array called what? Payload. Now what payload contains means, now payload will be containing data like this. Payload will be containing data like this. Temperature. Okay, is a string. This is a key. Then the value is 28. Okay, this is what my payload contains now. See, I cannot directly push 28 to the cloud. I have to send it as a what? Key value pairs. I have to send it as what? Key value pair. That is nothing but JSON format. So using this sprintf function, what we are doing? We are putting it into a JSON format. Then pushing that data to this particular topic. Okay, this particular topic, we are pushing the data. Client.publish and publishing payload to this topic. What is this topic? V1 stands for the version of the API. And what entity we are passing the data to? We are passing to the devices, me. Here me, nothing but it talks about this authentication token. Okay, it's nothing but the device who is having this authentication token. Then telemetry. Okay, there we are pushing our data. There we are pushing our data. This is our topic. What is the topic specifying? Okay, sending data to node 1 or sending data to production line device, telemetry. Is this clear? Do we have any Pixim lab simulation for this? How data? Yeah, we are. I will show you. Yeah. So this is our code now, and we are pushing the data every 5 seconds. We are pushing the data for every 5 seconds. Okay. So what I will do here is, I will just compile this. Okay. You have to select your device. If not selected, sketch export compiled binary. Export compiled binary. Yes, done compiling. I'll upload this code into the ThingsBoard. So not ThingsBoard, Pixim Lab. Yeah, so I will upload this file, loadx file. Yeah, here is my code. Build. Yeah, I have uploaded the code here now. We have these connections already, the Ethernet shield and the vterm. So you can see I'm getting the data that it got connected to the things board. It got connected to a things board. Yeah, message is getting printed here. Next, we have to just go and check whether it is available on the things board or not. So here I'm going to the things board. Yeah, and select the devices in the entities in the devices. So this to this device we are pushing the data production line. Click on that. Already I told you we are pushing the data to the what telemetry. Their topic we have specified that we are specifying that we are sending the data to the device telemetry. So it will be available in the latest telemetry. You can see here I got my data temperature and the value is 28. Key value pair. You need to push your data into key value pairs. So we have pushed the data from here to the topic V1 devices me and telemetry. So on the okay cloud side you can see we have get that same data, the temperature, and it's 28. Can you see it? Yes, done. So we are done with today's class. So what all things we have seen in today's class? We saw the data in telemetry coming. So what we did in today's class is nothing but from the sensor we collected the data into the Uno. We did not use any sensor. We hard coded it, okay, as 28 to the Arduino. Then from the Arduino to the internet. Then from the internet, okay, to the things board. Then from the things board to the dashboard. Okay, here we passed only temperature. Like that we can pass different data like humidity, voltage, and other things also. Yeah, so we created a today what all things we have done. We have created a things board account. We explored the dashboard interface, how it looks like. We created a device called production line. We copied the device authentication token, access token. Then we sent the MQTT telemetry from the Arduino and we viewed the live data on the latest telemetry tab. This is what we have done here. Okay, so what we are going to do on the next session. In the next session, what we will do is we will implement complete node 1. Next class, we will implement the complete node 1. Okay, we will integrate all the node 1 sensors, the DHT22, vibration sensor potentiometer, and a button. Then from there, we will be sending the formatted JSON data to the cloud, send complete telemetry to the things board, add a LED status indicator, then implement the relay logic, and test all the sensors. This all things we will be doing in the next class. So in the next class, your actual project will start. This was all preparation, like how to use Arduino, then how to read the data from the sensors, how to send the data to the things board was all preparation. Tomorrow actually your project will start and we'll start implementing the node 1. Tomorrow means not tomorrow, Friday. Friday 7 p.m. we'll start implementing the node 1. So what will be your homework means please Okay. Once again, revisit the project requirements. Revisit the project requirements. Okay, here, if you go to the LMS, in the LMS, I have given the one document, project requirement and design document. Go and read this. We have already discussed the project requirements, but in detail, please go and read this. Based on this only, we will be implementing our project. Okay, so that is your homework. Read the project requirements and design document. And one more homework will be you're pushing your data to the ThingsBoard and you're supposed to share the screenshot with me. Okay, what is your screenshot should contain means same thing. I should be seeing your name here and the data here, the temperature, whatever you are sending. That I should be able to see here. Clear? Two homeworks are there. One is to read the document, another is to push the data. Code is there, just you have to test that code. And you have to share me the screenshot. More details, I'll share it in the LMS. And deadline will be, okay, before the Friday's class. Deadline will be before Friday's class. Link, everything, I will share it in the LMS. Everything will be not covered. First, node 1 will be covered. Then node 2. I have already shared the schedule with you, right? Like what will be covered in every day's class. You can go through the schedule. Okay, fine. We'll stop here for everyone today. Okay, you have your queries regarding quiz offer letter you post in discussion forum. I'll not discuss them here. Okay, thank you everyone. Good night. You try it later and let me know you have any queries posted there. I will have uploaded the code. You try that code. Thank you everyone. Good night.